show you how to set the hue in the Photoshop app. First, you have to open the app. Here it opens up like this. From here, we just go into the top row, click on image. Then we move on to adjustments. And here we have hue/saturation. And here we can set the hue of the image. So this is a master hue. Can set the saturation as well, and lightness, but also we can set the reds and every other color. So we can just select a group of colors from here and then set the saturation of them. That's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.